Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our Muslim brothers and sisters, we greet each and every one of us. Alhamdulillah, we are here with this particular Sirr again. A Sirr that work for all form of cough, be it an asthmatic cough, be it a dry cough, be it a wet cough, all manner of cough. It worked perfectly for it. Before we enter into the explanation of the Sirr, we urge you to share our video to our Muslim brothers and sisters who are not aware of our page, so that they can be aware of it and make beneficial use of all the Sirr we've been posting. You should like the video, make a comment, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. You should subscribe to the channel so that whenever we post any video, whether you are online or not, you will be notified. We also have different private groups on our WhatsApp. We have the Sirr that has to do with ayah of the Quran, or the Sirr that has to do with ayah of Quran, a Tolsam, all Sirr that are pure. We have the group specially for it. We have the Sirr that has to do with Tabdil and Tasrif and Ismu of Rawaniya. We have them. We have the Sirr where we share secret of the Dalail Khairat. We have that one. Also, we have the Sirr where we have the group where we share things that are used to fight enemy. That's Sirr Muntakim. We have the group as well. So you can contact the number, the WhatsApp number below, to find more information about how to join our group. Please, once you contact the number, don't place a call. Don't call the number, because whenever you call the number, it usually disturb our work. You might be making a video recording, and if a call enter, it will make us pause the video or interrupt the video. So you just drop a message. You will be attended to as soon as possible. Now we enter the explanation of the Sirr. To do this Sirr, we will go and look for cowrie. The original one, not the one they made with plastic, because now they have been duplicating it, making a plastic form of it. No, you check it and make sure it's the original one. So you buy 33 pieces of it. You also go and get citrus. You remove the juice in such a way that it will be up to 1 liter. You remove 1 liter of the juice. Now you put the cowries inside a container and add the juice of the citrus on it. You keep it for 5 to 7 days. After the 5th day or the 7th day, you will notice that the cowries has dissolved into smaller particles in the juice. So you now sieve it out. You remove the dirty part, and the clean juice that is remaining, you will be drinking it. Small glass cup in the night after you've eaten all the food that you're supposed to eat for the day, and also you take small glass cup in the morning before you eat any food. That's how you do it. For 7 days you've been drinking it like that. If you are able to do it, no matter the amount of no matter how stubborn the cough is, whether it's a dry cough, whether it's a wet cough, whether it's an asthmatic cough or tuberculosis cough, if you are able to do it like that, it will clear it up within that 7 days. It will clear the cough off. So that's how the Sirr is being done. Share the videos to our Muslim brothers and sisters so that they can be making beneficial use of all the Sirr we've been posting in the group.